We're 3 cars deep. We all missed the turn. This is the turn to the falls. It's not marked, so it's a hidden thing. That's why not that many people know about it. So we all missed it. There's a car behind us that did a turnaround too. So we will head 2 miles out here to the falls. It's a little, maybe a half mile past Panamint Springs if you're looking for it. Okay, now you see the Darwin Falls. This road is not for the faint of heart. You got 2 miles on this to get to it. So, yeah, 4-wheel drive, you're good. If you're like us, it's a long 2 miles. Okay, we made it. This is our trailhead. Isn't that crazy? Those kind of falls are going to be back in there. Got a good spot to back into. Right at the base of it.
You ready?
He's just been non-stop
Grapes
singing.
For the family. Grapes. Where's the baggie?
Once we got here and he knew he was getting to do his waterfalls, it's been non-stop singing with this guy.
Waterfalls, here we come. Going up the mountain to have some fun. Waterfalls, every day. Feeling so happy.
These falls and pools are non-swimming ones because this pipe supposedly carries the water to the town for their drinking water. That's what somebody posted. Not sure how accurate it is, but sounds good because they did say you can't swim in it. So. First signs of water. Said a lot of it goes underground at some point. And here's the waterfall. Isn't it amazing? Just kidding. We heard music playing, didn't know what it was. This is where the pipe starts collecting it. Isn't that cool? Where's he going? He's gonna go in the drink. He's going in the drink. He's trying to get up in the grotto over there. Can you get there?
So we're at Darwin Waterfall. This is the smaller one. There's actually 3 of them. This is the second one. The third one we just came from. It's like an 80-footer. Water's really not flowing all that well this year. So I'm gonna give it a 4-star hike. It was nice and short. And I'll give it a 4 shakas because I love my water features. I would have gave it a 5 shaka if the water would have been flowing more, but I'm going to give it a 4, 4, 4. But nice little hike, about 2 miles. Can't complain.
The dry van is rough.
The driving was a little rough. It's like a 2-mile road. You gotta go like 10 miles an hour, so.
If you don't have like a 4-wheel drive or high clearance vehicle, you gotta take it really slow. So it takes a little bit longer.
Anyways,